Emulsifiers Limited, established in 2020, is a manufacturer and supplier of specialty chemicals such as esters, imidazolines, SMO and PIBSA emulsifiers, and more. They sell to a wide range of industries, including the food, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, textile, agriculture industries, among others. They are ISO 9001-2015 certified and focus on providing high-quality specialty chemicals to their diverse customer base. Indian Emulsifiers Limited is gearing up for its IPO with issue of approximately 42.39 crores, comprising 3,211,000 equity shares. The IPO opens on May 13, 2024 and closes on May 16 the same year, with a price band at 125 to 132 rupees per share. The minimum lot size is 1,000 shares, amounting to a maximum of 1,33,000 per lot. Now let's get into the financials of the company. In 2022, they had a revenue of 17 crores and expenses of 17.56 crores, resulting in a small profit. But in 2023, the revenue jumped up to 41.18 crores, while the expenses also increased to 36.55 crores. This led to a much higher profit of 3.89 crores. By December, the revenue rose further to 48.70 crores, with expenses at 40.56 crores and a profit of 6.75 crores. This shows a strong revenue and profit growth trend for a company, but also the rise in costs, due to the company being extremely young. Indian Emulsifiers Limited shows strong financial performance with an ROE of 25.61%, ROCE of 38.03%, debt equity ratio of 0.51, and RONW of 25.60. The profit after tax margin is 13.87% and the profit to equity ratio is around 28. The market capitalization of the IPO is 161.33 crores, reflecting investor confidence. But none of this really matters until we compare it to Indian Emulsifiers' main competitors, Fine Organic Industries Limited and Finotex Chemical Limited. As shown, there are major positives for Indian Emulsifiers, as the market cap is much lower than their competitors and their ROE and ROC percentage is higher. However, there are some negatives. Due to Indian Emulsifiers being an extremely young company, their PAT margin, debt to equity ratio, and profit to equity ratio is worse. On the topic of positives and negatives, let's explore the pros and cons of Indian Emulsifiers. On the positive side, all the raw materials they source are fairly easy to source and locally sourced. They offer a wide range of specialty chemicals for various industries, showing strong financial growth and profitability. Their experienced management and advanced manufacturing plant also stand out. Indian Emulsifiers are also fully committed to innovation, as they have an advanced research and development center. However, there are cons. The company could be affected by fluctuating raw material prices and tough competition in the market. They also need to navigate strict regulation as they have outstanding litigations. Overall, in my personal opinion, I would consider potentially participating in this IPO, but I want to emphasize that it is important to remember that investing in IPOs carries risks, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider all factors before making any investment decisions, and that any decision should be made after careful consideration of all relevant factors, and before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Anyway, that's it for this week's IBO Focus. Goodbye.